Right after even securing majority in the Lok Sabha elections, the NDA, which has formed the government at the centre, and Prime Minister Modi, along with his colleagues, has taken oath of office. However, the opposition still continues to assert that this government may face a premature end. Right in the midst of this, Congress Party National President Mallikarjun Kharge has made a strong statement, saying that the NDA government has been formed by mistake and the Prime Minister doesn't enjoy the majority mandate. This government can fall at any time. This is what he has said, saying that everyone should work together rather when it comes to the strengthening of the nation.
हम तो देखो, एनडीए गवर्नमेंट गलती से बनी हुई है। मोदी जी को एक तो मैंडेट नहीं है और माइनॉरिटी गवर्नमेंट है। ये गवर्नमेंट कभी भी गिर सकती है। अब देखेंगे, हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि अच्छा, हम तो ये कहेंगे अच्छा चलने दो, देश के लिए अच्छा होने दो, देश मजबूत बनाने के लिए हम सब लोग मिलके काम करना चाहिए। लेकिन हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर की आदत ये है कि जो चीज ठीक से चलती है उसको चलने नहीं देते। लेकिन हमारे तरफ से हम पूरा देश को मजबूत करने के लिए कोऑपरेट करेंगे।
Meanwhile, the BJP has criticized the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge, stating that his remarks were incorrect. The BJP has further added that in a democracy, governments are formed by those with full majority, and the NDA enjoys the significant mandate.
Mallikarjun Kharge has not digested the fact that Modi 3.0 has already taken oath, is working in the interest of India, and by making preposterous comments and negative comments, they are doing a disservice to the electorate that has voted and reposed faith and Vishwas in Prime Minister.
मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा, पिछले कुछ दिनों से मैं देख रहा हूं कि इंडिया ब्लॉक के लीडर्स हमारे एनडीए के इश्यूज में ज्यादा इंटरफेयर करने लगे। उनकी टिप्पणियां आती है कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए, एजेंडा सेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जो सही नहीं है। जनता दल यूनाइटेड और टीडीपी को ये पता है कि एनडीए की सरकार कैसे चलेगी और कैसे मजबूत रहेगी।
Sabyasachi, that's the point that the BJP has been raising, saying that the opposition, including the Congress, have not come out of the election mode yet.
Well, absolutely. The BJP says that the opposition and the India Alliance has not come out of the election mood as of now, and that is the reason why they have been raising question on the NDA government. See, Mallikarjun Kharge stated that this particular alliance has been formed by mistake and they would not last for the next 6 months. Meanwhile, he also says that whether it is the Congress party or the India Alliance, they would continue to support the government and make sure that it is good for the country. Meanwhile, we had seen that time and again, whether it is the Congress party or its partners in the India Alliance have been stating that the BJP does not have a full majority like in 2014 and 2019, and that is the reason why this particular alliance can fall anytime and the government would not last for the next 6 months. Meanwhile, the NDA ally partner JDU in fact has reminded the Congress party of its own Congress Prime Minister during their ally time, how the Congress had formed the government with its allies. Meanwhile, the war of words is continuously escalating between the NDA and the India Alliance partners. Meanwhile, the India Alliance partners in fact stated that the JDU as well as Chandrababu Naidu have not got the desired portfolio that they wanted, and this would lead to a fall of government in the next 6 months.